Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, June 5th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Canadian. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord channel. It's a link down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Check out the video on the home screen to learn more. So, anyways, if you've been following along with my videos, I think you've probably been doing pretty good because I've been recommending shorts for weeks now. And the market is still going down. It looks like it is not going to respect this 78%. Unless we get an engulfing move to the upside, I am definitely doing nothing but looking for shorts in a downtrend. Yes, it looks like five waves, but that definitely doesn't mean it's over. And honestly, I think there's a lot more downside potential because a wave one normally needs to end around the previous structure. I think it's going to take out that low before it actually ends. So going all the way down to the 1 hour time frame. Hopefully you guys have been getting some of these entries. One, two, three waves up, go short. One, two, three waves up, go short. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful trades. Now this definitely does have a five-wave look to it, so we possibly could be getting ready for a much bigger pullback. But for me personally, unless the daily time frame gives me like a big engulfing move to the upside, I am definitely still waiting for more three-wave pullbacks to go short for the continuation of the downtrend. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.